What if aging isn't some single thing that happens to you, but a quiet war happening inside every cell you own? Picture your body as a city where, day by day, tiny machines break down, trash piles up, and neighborhoods stop sending the right signals. That slow unraveling. Cells that stop dividing, DNA that frays, tissues that quietly turn hostile, is the real story behind wrinkles, slow joints, and fading memory. It's not mystical, it's cellular. And once you see it that way, the whole problem becomes understandable and, crucially, addressable. At the center of that story are cells flipping a switch called senescence. In youth, it's helpful. Damaged cells stop dividing to prevent cancer, and they play a role in healing. But when those cells accumulate and don't get cleared away, they become noisy troublemakers, broadcasting inflammatory signals that degrade their neighbors. Think of them as retired factories that never shut down and start spewing smoke into the neighborhood. Then there are telomeres, the little protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes. Every time a cell divides, those caps shorten, like the plastic tip on a shoelace wearing away. Eventually, the cap is gone, and the cell either dies or goes senescent. Some cells can rebuild those caps with telomerase, but most of our everyday cells don't. So the telomere clock keeps ticking. Stress, poor sleep, smoking, and chronic inflammation make that ticking faster. It's a simple, elegant mechanism that ties cell division to the passage of time. Genes set the starting point and shape the repair systems. DNA maintenance, protein folding, mitochondrial performance. But they're far from destiny. Some inherited variants give you a sturdier toolkit for damage control. Others make the toolkit leakier. Still, everyday choices stack the deck. Diet, sleep, exercise, and metabolic health all change how quickly damage accumulates. We're seeing measurable shifts in biological age from interventions like calorie restriction and improved metabolic control, proof that behavior nudges the cellular clocks. The most exciting part is how research is moving from observation to intervention. Scientists are testing ways to remove senescent cells, to bolster repair systems, and to tweak epigenetic marks that control gene expression. Early human studies that clear out toxic, senescent cells have already shown improvements in tissue function and markers of health. This is no longer science fiction. It's a cautious, hopeful pivot toward treating aging itself as a target. So here's the takeaway. Aging is a collection of cellular decisions. Damaged DNA, worn telomeres, noisy senescent cells, shaped by genes, lifestyle, and now, medicine. The future will be a mix of smarter habits and smarter therapies that push the cellular tide back. If you want more behind-the-scenes biology, clear explanations, and the real science driving what's next, subscribe to VoidFrame AI. Like this video and follow the channel. We'll keep pulling the curtain back together.